So the worksheet 7, we have talking about question number 1. It said list all the factors of 42, because the topic of the worksheet is on factorization. So it's put in that review the whole process of finding the factors. So here you have a question to direct it towards that, how to find the factors of a number. So to find the factors of 42, we need to find all the numbers that are going to 42 without leaving a remainder. All the factors of 42. So this can be easily done by listing. So 2, clearly, one is a factor of all numbers, so you don't necessarily have to write 1. If you want, you can write 1. Let's write 1. 2. What about 3? So we can clearly divide 42 by 3 to see if this is possible. Okay, I think yes. 42 divided by 3 will give us 14, I think. All right, so 3 is a factor of 42. 4 is not a factor of 42 because 4 is a factor of 14. And then you're still missing 2 more to make another 4, to make 4, so it's like 44. So 42 is not, 4 is not a factor of 42. 5 neither. What about 6? Let's see if 6 is a factor. Yes, 6 is a factor of 42. So therefore, 7 is a factor of 42. What about 8? 8, I thought, because 8 is a factor of 40. And it how much 42 8. What about 9? So you can try it out if you cannot remember. 10, no. 11, no. 13, 12, 11, no. 12, no. 13, no. I'll still try, yes. All right, what about 14? All right. 3, so we have 14. Okay, and after 14, we have 21, and then 42. All right, so these are the factors of 42. All right, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21, 42. Factors of 50. And if you realize now we're using curly brackets for that. Anytime you're listing, use curly brackets. So you have 1, we have 2, we have 3, no. 4, no. 5, yes. 6, no. 7, no. 8, no. 9, no. But 10, and we have 25, and we have 50. So these are the factors of 50. All right. So from these 2 lists, we should be able to identify the highest common factor. That is a factor, the highest factor that is common. So we can make a list of the common factors. The common factors of 42 and 50. The factors that are common to both. So 1, the common factor of any pair of numbers, the lowest common factor. 2, and we have 1 and 2. So therefore, the highest common factor, that's the common factor, the highest one, or the common factor that's the highest is 2. All right. And the LCM is the lowest common multiple. Okay, that's the number that both 42 and 50 can go into. All right. So this can easily be achieved by finding the prime factorization of 42. So we prime factorize 42. 42 is equal to 2 times. We want 3. 2 times 3, that's 6. Okay. We have a times 7. And 2 3 is 6 by 7. 2 3 is 6. 6 7 is 42. Okay. So that's 42 right there. 2 by 3. And then 50 now. $50 is equal to 2 times, all right, 2 times 5. 5, that's 10 by 5. I'll give you 50. Okay. So whereas 42 is 2, 3 is 6, 6 7 is 42. 50 is 2 times 5. And then 5, 2 5 is 10 by another 5. That will give you 50. All right. So now, what do we want now? We want the, and as you can see, the highest common factor is 2. All right, here it is. And the lowest common multiple now. So the prime factorization can also give us the highest common factor, which is 2. LCM. So what you do, you write down the highest one first. It's 50. And then you include what is missing so that you can get 42. So here we cannot get 42. We only have 50 and we have a 2 from 42. What we're missing is a 3 times 7. So the 3 times 7 is missing to get 42. So this has 50 in it and it also has 42 in it. So the lowest common multiple, that's the multiple that is common to both and is the lowest one. All right, it's a number that both 42 and 50 can go into without a remainder. The lowest one, that will be 1050. All right, so therefore 1050 can be divided by 42 without a remainder, and 1050 can be divided by 50 without a remainder. Okay. Yeah. So that's what you do to find the factors, the highest common factor and the lowest common multiple. You would also find the highest common factor by using prime factorization. Okay. But it's very essential to find the lowest common multiple.